We are at SEMA 2023. I'm in the Fidanza performance booth. This is my good friend Jeff. We actually met earlier this year, and funny enough, I used to actually run Fidanza Flywheels like 10 plus years ago when I used to road race Hondas. So now everything's kind of gone full circle. So Jeff, go ahead and tell me a little bit about your company and the products that you sell.
Well, Ernesto, it's good to have you come back again. Fidanza Performance has been best known for producing lightweight aluminum flywheels back 26 years ago now. So we have probably the widest breadth of flywheels that are available with over 750 different fitments. You've got a car with a manual transmission, we most likely have something for you. One of the things that we're really best known for, if you take a look at one of these, is the fact that the friction surface, which is the only wear part on a flywheel, has been designed to be field serviceable, and this plate can be replaced. So whenever you replace your clutch, you don't have to buy a new flywheel. You can simply replace that friction plate and you're good to go. We do put a protective coating on it, which is what you see in the green, and it actually protects that surface from any type of oxidation or grease contamination, so that when you put it in the car, it's ready to go. You can wipe this off with an acetone solvent, and it takes it down to the metal. You put your clutch on and you're ready to take off. But we also have adjustable cam gears. We have a number of different applications, and one of the things we do with ours that's a little different is on the back side of this, you can see we actually put a stainless steel stud through the outer, and it goes with a pinch nut, a flat washer, lock washer, and a pinch nut. That gives us about a 40% better pinch pressure than taking a screw and putting it in from the outside and screwing it into here. And it also allows this to be rebuildable in the event that somebody should, over torque this, break it. And would you really want to run that with not enough screws in it? No. So we have replacement kits that will allow you to rebuild it. So we're probably the only company that does that, to my knowledge. We also manufacture adjustable short throw shifters, so we can actually take between 40 and 60% of the throw when you're shifting. So instead of shifting with your arm, you can in a lot of cases just wrist shift, and it's much more efficient. And with the lightweight flywheel, it makes your gear interaction much better. So the whole thing works together as a unit really well. On top of that, here's some of the other different type of machining projects that we do. This one here is actually an oil filter conversion that we've made for an old E-type Jaguar, and that allows it to use the canister style filter. We've got machining capabilities that we also share with others. If somebody needs some machining, we'll look at it and see if we can help work it out for them.
All right, thank you very much, Jeff. It's been a pleasure. It's good to see you. This is the last day of SEMA. We're about 30 minutes away from closing everything up, so I'm going to be heading out home pretty soon, but always a pleasure, and I'm glad to see you, and maybe I'll see you on either later on this year or next year.
Sounds good, brother. Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.